Hello 12th class students, welcome to our mathematics class. Students, we have discussed the complete exercise 2.5 in which we have discussed about the binary operations. Students, most of the sums there we have discussed the set was infinite sets. But if we are having a finite set, then these star binary operation can be represented easily described by means of a composition table. So students, today we will discuss how to describe the binary operation using this composition table. First of all, students, how we put the entries inside a composition table. The formula for this, the entry in the ith row and jth column, वो कैसे आएगी हमारी जब हम ऑपरेट करेंगे ith एंट्री ऑन द लेफ्ट with the jth entry at the top. The composition table is always in this way. This is the composition table for any binary operation star. Suppose if we are having a1, a2, a3, so on up to an elements and in a set A, and we are defining the binary operation on the set A, then we will put all the entries in this way in the row and in the column. We will have all the entries of the set, we will have all the elements of the set, and then we one by one, by element we will find the operation, and in this way by solving the operation we find the value of corresponding element. So here if we are finding a1 star a1, then here we will get its value. If we are finding a2 star a2, then here we will get the value. If we are having if we are finding ai star ai, then here its value. If we are finding ai star a1, then ith row and first column. So this is the basic formula in which we can find any of the fixed value according to our question. Then what is the main thing, how can we describe all the properties? We have discussed the commutative property, closure property, existence of identity and inverse, all that. All these can be described by using only this composition table, and these are our conclusions. On the basis we can say about all these properties. First of all, how can we check the closure property using this composition table? Students, if we are using the composition table and find all the entries in the table belonging to the given set, then we say that if all the entries in the table are element of the set A again, then जो binary operation star होगा वो close होगा under the A is closed for star. नेक्स्ट इज द कम्यूटेटिव लॉ. कम्यूटेटिव लॉ के लिए हम कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं? कम्यूटेटिव लॉ के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? ऑलवेज ए स्टार बी इक्वल्स टू बी स्टार ए इफ एवरी रो ऑफ द टेबल कोइंसाइड विद द कोरस्पॉन्डिंग कॉलम. दैट इज हम जो सेकंड रो और सेकंड कॉलम अगर दोनों कोइंसाइड कर रहे हैं हमारे सेम, बिल्कुल दोनों सेम है, then we can say that it is commutative. Let us take an example. We are given the example number 13, and here we are given a set A 1 2 3 4 5, or on which the binary operation star we have to multiply, and this star is being described by this composition table. We have given this composition table, and in the first point we have to compute 2 star 3 star 4. So students, let's start with the first part, 2 star 3 star 4. So first we will find the 2 star 3. 2 star 3 means second row and third column element. Second row and third column. Second row and third column. That means this is the element, and we will have the answer 1. So 2 star 3 we get the value 1. Now this 1 is to be operated with 4. Now 1 star 4. 1 star 4 means first row, fourth column. first row and fourth column, this will be the result, that is 1 again. So the result of 2 star 3 star 4 will be 1. Similarly, in the similar way we can find 2 star 3 star 4. Here we find the 3 star 4 first. 3 star 4 means third row fourth column, third row and fourth column, that is 1 is the answer of for 3 star 4. And now we will operate 2 with 1, and 2 star 1, that is second row and first column, that is 1, again the answer is 1, and 2 star 1, the result is 1. Similarly, we can compute in the second part. We have to compute 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. We will find 2 star 3 first, then 4 star 5, and then we will operate the results of these two. So 2 star 3 we will get 1, 4 star 5 we will get 1, 1 star 1 we get first row first column, the answer is 1. Now our third property is star commutative. Students, we have discussed for checking the commutativity, we have to check the ith row and ith column are coinciding or not. So if we are taking here, you can check that if the we are checking the second row and second column, you can check these are same. If you are checking the first row and first column, you can check these are also identical. Third row and third column, these are also identical. Fourth row and fourth column, these are again identical. Fifth row and fifth column, these are again identical. So students, in this way, by checking from the table, you can observe that all the entries are corresponding entries are identical according to the this main diagonal. All the entries in the table are symmetric along the main diagonal, because we have checked that each ith row and each ith column is coinciding. That means all the entries are symmetric along the main diagonal, or hence we can say that this star is commutative on this set A. Now students, in the last question example, if we are given the set and we have defined the operation, then how can we ourselves can draw the table, draw the composition table. We will check how to draw this composition table. In the 14th example we are given, consider the infimum binary operation. This is the binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The binary operation is infimum. That is, if we are operating A star A operation B, then this will be equal to minimum of A and B. That is the value which in A and B which is lesser, which is less will be the answer. And we have to write the composition table for the operation. So here the set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इनफिमम बाइनरी ऑपरेशन हमारा डिफाइंड किस तरीके से है, ए ऑपरेशन बी इक्वल टू मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी. दैट इज द वी विल हैव द आंसर विच इज स्मॉलर इन ए एंड बी. So if we are checking for one operation 2, then we can check that, observe that 1 is the smaller number, so the result will be 1. If we are checking for 2 operation 5, then this operation is minimum of 2 and 5, and the smaller value is 2, so the answer will be 2. In this way we can proceed with all of our entries, and we can find all the entries for the Cartesian product A cross A, and hence we can find out the table. You have observed that 1 star 1, both are same, result will be 1. 2 star 1, here 1 is lesser, so result will be 1. 3 star 1, here 1 is lesser, so answer is 1. Again for each of these values 1 is lesser, so result is 1. Now come for the second number entries, and for each of the 1 star 2, 1 is lesser, so result is 1. 2 star 2, both are same, answer is 2. 3 star 2, next 3, 4, 5 when operated with 2, 2 is the smaller, so result will be 2. In case of 3, when 1 is operated with 3, then 1 is lesser, answer is 1. 2 star 3, 2 is lesser, answer will be 2. 3 star 3, both are same, answer is 3. Now in 4, 5, while operating 4, 5 with 3, 3 is lesser, answer will be 3. In the similar way, you can find all other entries, and in using this method, you can draw any of the composition table according to the definition of our given binary operation. And according to the our discussion, how can we check for the commutativity, for the closure property, and also how to find the values of different operations. You can find all these by using only this composition table. So this is very shortcut and easy method. So try yourself the other questions, other examples of your exercise also from the NCERT problems based on this composition table, students, in your practice book. Thank you. Have a nice day.